Hello and welcome back to another Top Biz Guides tutorial. In this video, we're going to get started with Clockify. In order to find Clockify's page, you can just Google Clockify and it'll be the first option to pop up. And then it'll bring you to this site over here. And on the top right, we'll see where it says sign up for free, so we'll want to click that. Now in this video, we're going to be logging in with Google. So we don't have to sign in with an email or password. Instead, I could just continue right away with Google if I'm already signed into my Google account. So what we'll want to do is first agree to the terms, and then we'll be able to continue with Google over here. Choose the account that I want to log into through my Google account. And just like that, we're signed in, so we've actually created a Clockify account just like this through my Gmail credentials, through my Google credentials. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.